With inflation continuing to rise, it's become a huge concern for investors. But did you know there are ways you can take advantage of inflation instead of letting it eat away at your wealth? If you're in the right position and know what moves to make, inflation doesn't have to be a threat. It can be an opportunity. Stick with me until the end, and I'll show you exactly how to protect your wealth and even grow it, despite inflation. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below to get a free guide on why thousands of Americans are choosing gold IRAs to protect their wealth. It's the kind of resource that can really help you navigate your options, so don't miss out. Now, let's talk about inflation. As an investor, it's critical to understand that inflation can erode the purchasing power of your cash and investments. It's not just about rising grocery prices, it impacts everything. Stocks, bonds, and even real estate can struggle in an inflationary environment, but here's where it gets interesting. Inflation can also make certain assets more valuable, like gold. Gold has historically been a strong hedge against inflation. Unlike cash or bonds, which lose value over time when inflation increases, gold tends to increase in value. That's why many people are flocking to gold IRAs as a safe way to preserve and grow their wealth in the face of inflation. If you're holding a significant amount in your IRA or 401k, like $100K or more, or even upwards of $5 million in savings, you should consider how gold can help you safeguard your assets. Another way to combat inflation is by investing in real assets, things like real estate or commodities. While these investments can offer some inflation protection, they also come with their own risks and complications. Real estate requires maintenance and can be impacted by market shifts. Commodities, while they rise with inflation, can be volatile. Gold, on the other hand, is a tangible asset that doesn't carry the same risks, and it's been a reliable store of value for centuries. If you're invested in the stock market, you're probably feeling the pressure of inflation squeezing company profit margins. In these conditions, you could see stocks underperform, but you can offset that risk by moving part of your portfolio into gold. Even when stocks aren't doing well, gold tends to perform well. It's like adding an insurance policy to your investment strategy. Now, you might be thinking, why not just hold more cash? But cash is one of the worst things to hold during inflation. The value of cash declines every day, and it's one of the quickest ways to lose purchasing power. Instead, moving some of your portfolio into an asset like gold can provide that stability, especially if you're a retiree trying to make sure your savings last through uncertain times. If you want to learn more about how gold IRAs can help you protect your wealth, make sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll get access to a free guide that can help you take action today. As we wrap up, remember that inflation is a reality that we all have to face, but it doesn't have to be a death sentence for your portfolio. By diversifying your investments, especially into gold, you can safeguard your retirement savings and even grow your wealth. If you're serious about securing your future, and you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or you have 5 M plus in savings, this strategy is ideal for you. Don't let inflation catch you off guard. Take action now. Click that first link in the description and get your free guide today. Protect your wealth, plan for tomorrow, and position yourself for the future.